Hello everyone, this is Moshe the Electric Israeli driving home from our Florida trip. We're actually still in Florida, in Hawthorne. It's between Ocala in the west and Jacksonville in the east, going towards Kingsland, Georgia to charge. And the topic for today, actually my wife brought it up for me. It's really stupid. I don't get it. Anyway, there are some guys now in North Carolina, in a town called Hickory. It's 40 miles northwest of Charlotte. And they take their big trucks. I'm going to show you some pictures. They take their big trucks and they park them on purpose in Superchargers. One of these wise guys took the charge cable and just put it on his truck bed as if he's charging. It's obviously these guys who, I'm going to tell you what I think about him in a minute. They obviously don't like Teslas and what Tesla does. The article, I read the article, it didn't say why they're doing it. I can imagine why. But they're similar to the guys who used to do, what's it called? The rolling coal. That the doctor their engine with diesel, and they will come next to like a Prius or any green car, so to speak, and they will like press on the gas, and they will like bathe the car with big, huge smoke suit. It became outlaw in some in many states, including New Jersey, that you cannot emit so much. You cannot do that to your exhaust and to your engine to create such a thing. I mean, what do I say about these guys who do this or that? These are just absolute losers, low lives. They need to get a life if they can find one. And they are, what do I call? I mean, what are they trying to do? Okay, so they're going to do that. Oh, so then people are not going to drive hybrid cars or electric cars or plug-in hybrid cars. I mean, what is the point? What are you trying to show? That you're an idiot and you're a loser? Okay, you made the point. I got the point. So if that's your point, so then you made it. Some people, it was a convenience store called Sheetz, and some of Tesla drivers, when they went into the store and they called the police, and the police came and asked to leave.
That's not true. Now you're making things up.
What happened? That's what you told me.
They said the employees from the store came out and told them to leave. And
yes.
They left. They did not call the police.
They did not call the police? Well, they should have. I think I read the article. I think they did. Anyway, I thought they did. But anyway, they left. Now, some Tesla drivers told me on the way down to Florida, I don't remember if it was in Lumberton, North Carolina, or in someplace on the Highway 95, there was this supercharger that actually had 16 charging stalls, and it was near a big shopping mall, obviously, which most of them are, and a lot of just drivers parking their car at the Tesla charger, whether knowingly or unknowingly. I would assume unknowingly. Now, there are laws. Obviously, there are laws that you cannot park in a handicap spot. We all know that. I'm not sure if there are laws that you cannot park in certain places. I mean, there are many shopping malls that you will go. It says parking for the bank customers or parking for this restaurant customers. But I'm not sure if it's by law. Each state is different. I don't know about that enough. If you actually can enforce that. Let's say you're going to a bank parking lot, quote unquote, and you park there and you go someplace else. Can they tow you? Is it legal to tow you? I don't know. I have no idea. But Tesla charger, we depend on it. I mean, we cannot get anywhere without it. That's what it is. But obviously, these guys' motives. So there's two categories. These guys who do it on purpose because they're idiots, and these guys who just don't know. And I don't know what you can do about that. So I wanted to share with you the article that my wife shared with me. She's next to me. She doesn't want to show her face today. She doesn't feel too good. Anyway, so that's that. Let me know if you encountered this kind of experience of people parking in Superchargers and what you do about it or what you hear people do about it, let me know. Meantime, don't forget to subscribe, and I see you tomorrow, another video.